Why do you love me so much, squirrel? You're crazy. Don't drag your booty on my carpet, I swear. Don't you do it. It's gross. Stop it. That's gross. Seriously. What's your deal? You're creeping me out. Ah! Did that hurt? Ah, why are you chasing me? Don't chase. I swear to God. I have a shoe and I'm not afraid to use it. Ew, get out of my weirdo. I just want to have my balcony open so I can listen to the rain. Hey. Psst. Okay, get out. Oh my God. Get out of my apartment. Okay, get out. Get out. Weirdo. Okay, get out. Ah, get out. Get out. I'm closing the door. Go. Go. Psst. Go. What is it? Oh my God, are you rabid? Please leave. Please leave. Please leave. Leave. Okay. Go. Go. Weirdo.